Or Caboose Zombie.
I am Caboose. Don't cry. I love it. Mom, they're so giddy.
I mean, always got to be something like that because it's the same time every day without fail. Every day. Well, don't ram it down your throat then, you silly Billy. What do you expect?
Looks like a...
What do you expect?
What?
Yeah, you know, like the PCI callers, yeah. If you like, you put the phone through like the Ethernet, yeah, you can just and then you just like trace their IP and go, I know where you are, mate. And it's like, you do know it is a criminal offence.
The way you trolled that little kid last night, that was funny. Made him start crying for the trolling.
I'm dumping this bitch, he said.
No, the one with the kid's mother was the funniest one.
What?
Basically, there's a video with this guy, he's like talking to this other kid or other people online, and it's like, he ends up like, he talks to them all nice and generously, right? However, he pretty much like ends up like talking on a phone, right? And he's talking to like the said kid's parent or said kid's girlfriend, and like basically he pretty much like he trolls the living hell out of the person that he's like playing against. It's hilarious. I'll show you it in a minute, like after this is all done.
What would he? But yeah. Yeah, no, I'm just saying. Right, just out of curiosity.
No. A little bit.
Oh, I knew this was going to happen.
A little bit.
No. 21st of the 2nd.
I didn't really fix it with super glue, but I was messing the glue alone.
What I'm specifically looking for.
Go what? I mean, so the last achievement I got. It's the 15th. I was last year on the last time I got that achievement. So it was a year ago.
Pretty much. There you go.
That's impossible. But it is possible.
It's not, it's just hard.
I'm amazed.
I know how to get that one.
Gee, I wonder what games I was playing.
What's that?
Look. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, it's not. There's no achievement for not running out of fuel on the rooftop.
Okay.
I can actually read through achievements pretty fast.
Oh,
Stop raking shit!
the amount of times I've done that to my light bulb when my old house was insane, you know.
Yeah, I can imagine. It wasn't exactly the highest of light bulbs, was it? What are you doing?
Looking for like me lint chocolate, looking on there and put it in there.
You probably did. Looking at my personal stash. I actually couldn't tell you if Subway's open in town. At like 8 or whatever. So we could either eat before we go in, or
That's what I thought we were doing.
we might as well. So when we're going for the bus, we might as well drop in the Subway or whatever.
Right.
I know how to carry plates the legit way.
Pete. I was last here on the 21st of February.
That was a Friday, no?
It's practically a year ago I was last
Yeah, that
here.
was a Friday, I think. What's Pete doing? Setting himself on fire or whatever? What does Lloyd even look like? Because if we don't know what he looks like and he doesn't know what we look like,
He knows what I look like.
should we just get like a massive cardboard
Well,
sign
to be
and
honest,
Lloyd here?
if he's watching this right now, he will know what we look like. So
he knows what
can-
you
did.
look like. Oh, so it'll be fine then.
then basically he knows what we look like already. So,
So I need
if
to
he
get,
sees
like-
us three waiting
And he's
for
got,
someone,
and I've got his number on
I need
it.
to get like a weird pervy mask thing as well.
Yeah, I've got his number on my phone, so.
Shannon knows what I mean by weird
we're
pervy mask
Swift.
thing. Yeah, just double check the time of the film just to make sure. Alright, let's go. Do those chickens count for that challenge? You know, sparkle hunting?
I don't know.
Just mash A and then, well, press A and then mash X and then see what happens. Because you'll hit them in one hit, won't you? So just press A and then mash X. And the little, you know, the... They don't
No.
count.
They're too small.
Alright, just kill the big chicken.
I feel like listening to Techno Chicken. I'm just gonna see if there's like a way that he could just like get caught.
Okay, so yeah,
No.
that's all
kill it.
going 2D and we're sitting here at 8. Okay, cool.
Well, there's no one in 7. Why do you want to show me in 7?
There is this one at 17.
What the fuck all the on for, yeah?
Well, it's whenever we were leaving you. I thought we were get. We said initially 8, so.
Oh, well, shit. We might all be there in time for 7. I doubt it. We'll still leave at like fucking 5:05 or whatever, so have enough time to go to the shop, get some food, get down if we're there early. We can then just do stuff all went around.
I have enough for another outfit.
Yes, but not the one we want. You do have to kill the chicken. Too bad they don't count for sparkle, honey.
It would be too abusable.
Yes, because there's not nothing abusable in this game anyway. Why is she on drugs anyway?
That's what hippies are. Hippies are always on LSD and crack and other drugs.
No, but why is she on drugs?
Because she like cut down that mushroom. The mushroom
yeah,
released
probably.
the LSD spores, as I like to call them.
You mean magic mushroom? You know magic mushrooms are a drug, right?
Yeah, and they grow in,
Here's some time for some copyrighted music.
grow in dark places.
What you need to do is get
Like
all
toxic
the
mushrooms.
wheat or whatever out the first field while killing all the zombies.
Weeds. MLG.
Smoke weed every day. Yes. Apparently this achievement's very simple.
Basically, you gotta trim and cut every single grass you see. Or combine harvester, so it's wheat. So you gotta kill, well, not kill, but destroy all the wheat
Without
you see.
killing all the zombies and missing bits.
You missed some, dude.
It's, oh, whatever. Ride round like a record, baby. Round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby. Like a record, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, is he feeling a little lightheaded?
Oh, boo!
Sunday, you missed.
You still missed them.
Hey, that's her words, not yours. She copyrighted that.
No, she didn't.
You got,
You can't copyright words.
well, unless you're the fine
No.
writers, then you could try and well, you could copyright the word react and pretty much like try to take over like YouTube.
No, just leave that one zombie there. I would have. So then you could get the rest of the wheat.
The brightness on this TV is a bit like bright. I mean, I've missed all this.
I don't know, I can see it pretty fine, but there's a bit there. That was quite a big bit.
It was impossible.
That's why I told you to leave that one zombie alive, but oh well, it doesn't really matter.
To be honest, we're not going for the achievements. We're just gonna be doing the
That one
game.
looks really easy. You just got. That's what I do. Just do that.
Oh, that's striking.
You don't stop. You just go.
Have you noticed the sort of demonic eyes staring at the player?
No, that's just what people stereotypically think.
Oh, I get
Well,
what
but-
Shans was on about.
I know
actually.
what he was going for, but no.
No, it's not what you think.
Trailer! Oh, where's the forklift?
That was a drug trick, Pete. Okay, that's what drug tricks look like.
Michael Bay.
I let that guy die last time, I
Yeah.
think. Go clean yourself up then.
I forgot, where was the overpowered metal farming part?
In a minute, that will be.
Yeah. Well, that's slow down there.
That's what our gen consoles were like, Pete.
I didn't want that!
Oh, well, you got it. You needed to keep that as well, didn't you?
Well, that's a good time to listen to some copyright music.
Bubbly bee.
You can actually get the health upgrade now.
Time to shine, to shine.
Now you need to get 480 like gold coins ever.